Massage chair?
Oh, you're getting the massage
Yes.
chair. Perfect. Do you want to put that one outside? All your stuff? Then you didn't have to.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect. And all the bandages.
There you go. I know. Hey guys, so sa sobrang dami ng gamit sa loob ng bahay, we decided na magkakaroon ng 3 araw na sale. So today is Friday. So our sale is gonna be start from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. today, and then tomorrow from 8:30 to 2. Sunday also it's from 8:30 to 2. So hopefully sa pre-sale na to marami po tayong maibenta, kasi nga sabi ko sa sobrang dami ng gamit kailangan po talaga naming maghanap ng idea or way na makabenta ng marami. So let's go. Paalis pa lang ako ng tindahan. Hey guys, so we're here and nailagay na po namin yung mga signs kung saan dapat ilalagay. So in 30 minutes mag-open na po kami. Na-shock po ako sa sobrang dami ng sasakyan. Hindi ko po masyadong naipakita sa video to kasi po yung alam mo na privacy, kailangan po natin siya i-prioritize. Pero sobrang dami po ng sasakyan na nakahilira dito sa sale na to. Ang dami na pong mga taong nag-aantay na gustong pumasok. So right now, nasa mga 115 people na po kami na nag-aantay para makapasok. So ang ginawa po namin sa sale na to, nagbibigay po kami ng numbers kasi para mas malimitahan po natin yung pasok at sakalabas ng mga tao. So let's go!
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you.
So may naghahabulan na po dito sa sale na to kasi alam po nila kung ano yung kukunin nila or bibili nila sa sale na to. Dahil po sa video at saka pictures na in-upload po namin or in-advertise po namin sa iba't ibang estate sale websites, Facebook Marketplace at saka kung saan-saan pa. So sa sale na to, kailangan po tayo mabilisan para mas marami po tayong matulungang customer, mas marami po din po tayong maibenta. So good luck! So anyway, 7 po kami lahat dito nagtatrabaho sa sale na to kasi nga sa sobrang laki at saka sa sobrang dami ng gamit. So good luck for us and enjoy guys sa panonood. Kung may mga tanong kayo regarding sa mga video to, please i-comment nyo po dyan sa ibaba. Let's go! Hello!
Hi, how are you?
Good, how about you guys?
Good, thank you.
Good. Do you need help? I can carry that out for you. Then
Do you
I
have a
just need your
holding
phone.
table?
Yes.
Okay.
I just need your name. What is your name?
Crystal.
Crystal.
Don't let
Perfect.
anybody get my tree.
Yep, this is the only one in here.
Okay.
Okay? You're welcome.
Is there a lot of people inside, or can we let
Yes,
more?
there's in the shop.
So we can let more people in?
It's gonna be crowded though.
Well, no matter what we do, there's over 100 people in here.
Yeah. Cool. Do you need help?
Yeah.
I need. What is your name?
Sharon. Oh, good. You work here.
Oh yes.
Cool, thank
okay, I'm
you.
just gonna put it up front.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
And then we need help after you for that.
Perfect. Okay.
Because these are really hot sitting in the sun.
Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right here for now. I'm gonna go grab my wagon. Which one is yours? So that one. Those. Okay.
Can we accidentally fall in?
I know. Just gonna.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done here?
Not yet. I'm still loading. I will find you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What else?
Oh, I guess you can carry those up there.
You okay? You're good.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, let's go. Give me the, what is your name?
Mary.
Mary. Okay, I'm gonna.
She has the radios in there for me too.
Okay, Mary.
Here's keys. I'll hold them, but do they have the combo?
That I don't know. We can ask up front, okay? Yep.
Hey, did you get her from my other stuff too or no?
No, I only have your.
Just to say.
Yeah.
Can you get the 2 radios?
Okay.
And I'll probably have to come back with Sunday
Okay.
for the big one.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
not.
As long as, are you paying for it?
Yeah, I will. Not
Okay.
this second. I'm still gonna.
I will
go
sell
look.
shop. Okay.
I'm putting this.
Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Mary.
Right here. All 3 of these. She wants all 3 of them.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna go
I
start.
marked them. Oh, you just start taking them out. Okay.
Yeah, because
Okay.
so that we can make room to move some stuff around. Okay.
You did bring that.
Yep.
Okay. I'm going crazy looking in there. I
No,
don't
you're
know.
fine.
How many do you think you'll fit in my?
Do you guys want it?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a wagon right there. The dresser, right?
Yes, the
Okay.
dresser. Oh, the dresser also.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
It's okay. You're asking for the. Okay. This one is 55. That one is 50. The rest is 35 each.
Even the little one?
You want the little one? 20.
20?
Yeah. Hello. Do you need help? I can take that one out and put your
We're
name
getting
on
the
it.
massage chair.
Oh, you're getting the massage
Yes.
chair. Perfect.
You
How?
go ahead and take that out.
Yes, I will mark it sold. I just need your
It's
name.
already marked sold.
Oh, what is your name?
Jamie, it's Compton.
Oh,
It's
okay.
already marked for me.
Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect.
I don't even get one plush toy. This is for my mom, not for me.
Okay.
I
Well, you
just
have
want
to.
you
Yeah,
guys.
it's sold.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it's sold. Sorry.
Okay.
The chair is sold. Yeah. That's why.
Okay. Do you want to put that one outside? All your stuff? Then you didn't have to.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry. And all the bandages.
There you go. I know.
And he's still shopping.
Those are actually really cool though.
Yeah, but in California heat.
Exactly.
I mean, I was like, if we're moving to Montana, you're
Oh,
great.
yep, yep,
Well, yeah.
yep.
That's a different state.
Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, let me help you. 45, 46.
45.
Okay. This one. You want it? You want it? It's 18, I believe. Oh, yeah, right here. Yeah. You want it? Okay. Hey. Do you need help?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it to the front.
Okay. I work here, so. What is your name?
Tony.
Tony. Okay, let's go.
Pile going on.
Okay, perfect, Tony.
Yeah, I told him. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is yours right here.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Thank
everything is in here.
you. Okay, thank you so
Yep.
much.
Each.
$3 a box.
No, yes, this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and I think this is $6 for the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So you know what? I'm gonna put a price tag on it.
Okay.
And if you change your memory, you can just put it back.
Yeah. Well, if I could take a look at them,
Okay.
that'd be great. You can mark them if you'd like.
Okay. Thank you.
And for this box,
Mm-hmm.
you said 6.
Yes, 6 for the whole thing. These are cool though.
They are. That's why I wanted them. But 3 a box is
Hey,
a bit expensive.
how many of them in there though?
No. Well, I mean,
There's a lot in here.
that's true. That's true. But I don't. How much money do you think I have in my wallet?
Oh, come
Not
on.
enough, man.
No?
No.
You have money?
I do, but I can't justify spending that much on something that just is cool, you know? I wish I could.
Oh, come on.
But I do want them. How much would that be? So
Okay, so you
1,
know
2,
what?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Super nice, Jim. You have to be nice to me.
Yeah.
I am not nice today though.
If you're not nice today,
No.
you'll be nice Sunday?
Maybe it's
Maybe Sunday. Maybe Sunday you'll
Maybe
be nice.
Sunday.
He's been very nice and pleasant to deal with.
Oh man.
Exactly. See, he's on my side. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just count it. Then I'm just
Okay.
gonna give you one whole price.
Okay. Okay.
You want that?
That'd be great. Yeah.
Okay. 91. But if you want the whole thing, I can give it to you for 65.
Okay.
That is not included to the 65.
Gotcha. Can we do 70 for everything?
I can do that for you.
Okay.
What is it?
Like if it's a price for the whole box,
They're
then
cat
Oh.
bags.
Okay.
I'll
It's
take
probably the whole box. Yeah.
it. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay. I got it. I got it. You're welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh, now my
Those are
husband's
really
red.
cool bottles though.
I know, and you know, I'm gonna use them for essential oils because you can't use
Go. Yeah, you can use plastic.
clear.
Uh-huh,
Well, yeah, you can't use
You can-
plastic or clear.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so I'm good.
So that's it for today, everyone, and it was an awesome sale for 4 hours. There's like 200 people coming in and spent money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless everyone. Can you just hold it for me? Sure. Thank you, sir. And I think the key is right here.
Which one? The blue
The
one?
rusty one. Yes.
June, one more thing.
Okay.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, there's another
And I'll
one.
grab the wheelbarrow.
Oh, she grabbed it. She's okay.
What
She-
name?
Diana. I got this.
No, alimot ko pa bang gabi kay namita siya sa sewing machine inside.
Okay. Magandang araw sa lahat. Isa po akong YouTuber dito sa California, USA. So kung nagtataka kayo kung ano ang estate sale at saka yard sale sa Amerika, kung paano kumita dito, ito po yung channel para sa inyo, Pinoy Pick and Flip. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless everyone.